Joey, good morning. Today's April 2nd. Joey just woke up and he's a happy baby. Yes, he is. Yesterday was my 6-week-old birthday. Auntie Connie came and took pictures. And today I'm going to Taylorville for Easter. And I'm so excited and happy. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say I'm going to go to the VFW for fish. And meet all the Taylorville people. And see Grandpa and Grandma. And Super Memes and Peeps. Auntie Stephanie and Trevor. I'm so excited. Show 'em you're excited, Joey. Show 'em you're excited. Yeah. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Okay, we were trying to get these smiles yesterday, but it didn't happen. Say hello. Say hello. There's a hello. Joey, over here. Over here. Over here. Joey. Joey. Oh, really? What else? What else? What else? Are you still hungry? And all I can find to eat is my hand. What else? You got any stories for me? Can we have some more smiles? Can we have some more smiles? Can we have some more smiles? Joey. Can we have some more smiles? Can we have some more smiles? Some more smiles? You hungry? Oh, yeah. Oh. Can you give us kisses? Kisses? Say bye, everyone. Say goodbye. Goodbye.